Majuli Island is magnificent, marvelous, mind-blowing. Majuli River Island is the largest river island in the world. The island is on mighty Brahmaputra River flowing through Assam. When I was in Majuli, I could not resist my temptation of visiting a village of tribe called Missing. Not Missing, but Missing, also called Miri tribe. The Missing tribe are spread all around in the island of Majuli and is one of India's largest tribe in terms of population. The Missing tribals have inhabited this island in Assam ever since the 16th century. The Missing tribals are originally nomads from Southeast Asia and have roots dating back to the Abotani, who are believed to be the first men on earth hailing from the Mongolian descent. The Missing name has been derived from two words from their local dialect. Mi, which means man, and Anshing, which means worthiness. The two clubbed together gives the name Myansing, which over a period of time has turned into Missing. The Missing tribes have villages all across the Majuli Island, and all the villages have almost the same setup: elevated houses made of bamboo and cane. The Missing tribal community is very rich in culture and have different folk dances and instruments which are played during different occasions and festivals. Oli Ligong and Boharak are the two festivals celebrated by the Missing tribes depending on their agricultural cycle. Ali Ligong is usually celebrated during first Wednesday in February, marking the start of the sowing season. It is a 5-day festival and is celebrated by sowing seeds in their respective fields and praying for good crops for the season and for the overall well-being of the household and community. Songs and dances are performed during this festival with traditional folk instruments by the young men and women in every house courtyard with great enthusiasm. Poharak is the post-harvest festival which is held during the early winter, and it is a 3-day affair where the tribes invite a large number of guests from neighboring villages. It is a common custom to invite missing women married outside the villages during this festival. In this festival also, music and dance is an important part. But what is the main source of income for the Missing tribes? The main source of income for the tribals is from their fields, with rice, cabbage, potato, tobacco being their main crops. They also grow mustard and bamboo. The girls are taught the art of weaving the traditional way at a very early stage by using silk or cotton pieces of cloth. The Missing tribals, interestingly, are also well known for preparing gadu, which is a type of woolen blanket that requires a lot of skill and knowledge. But unfortunately, the art is becoming extinct over the last few years, and there is an urgent need for urgent action to preserve and protect this beautiful art of Missing tribe. The Missing tribe also practice Doni Poloism, which is the worship of the sun and moon god. It is believed that the original Abotani was a son of the sun and moon god. They are not very religious and do not follow any stringent religious practices, most rituals are animalistic in nature, and though they follow Vaishnavism, which is completely opposite in nature. But interestingly, these practices have coexisted in the missing community. Another practice among the missing tribes is that of animal sacrifice. Animal sacrifice to ward off the evil or the wrongdoing of someone in the family or in the community. Don't miss the marvelous missing tribe when in magnificent Majuli.